Yo, 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 MC Grammar coming at ya. Alright, so this is the double black diamond. We're going to be checking your work, talking about how to add multiple pieces of color to a sentence. Alright, so let's take a look at the directions. You guys were trying to look at different sentences. Here is my example. You were picking your own writing, but this is my example from the fun they had. And you guys are going to just kind of follow along. Obviously, yours will be different from mine, but I want you to kind of get the same idea about how to add color to your sentence. Alright, so for mine, I picked a topic sentence first, right? So I said, in the story, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov, mechanical teachers and technology are thought to be boring, disconnect people from the content, and mechanical teachers can be frustrating, showing the effect of technology on the characters. Alright, so that one's kind of a mouthful, but I do think there are chances for us to both improve and start our sentence. So for my started, I chose an adverb, talking about that verb. So interestingly enough, in the story The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov, mechanical teachers and technology are thought to be unappealing, so I changed that word, I changed to a new adjective. Disconnect people from the content, as well as frustrate people. So here you can see I kind of took this part that was just a little bit clunky, and I used a conjunction to change it, showing the effect technology has on the characters. It looks like there's a typo there, but you guys understand what I'm saying. So here I chose my start it, my to improve it's, trying to make it just a little bit stronger, a little bit better for my topic sentence. Alright, cool. Let's look at the next one. So then I chose a prove it, or excuse me, a this shows that and elaborate. Then I did my one start it and two improve it's to it. So first it said, this shows that the malfunctions of the robots can slow and hinder a child's learning. So I already saw some really good word choice in there, so I'm going to keep that, but go ahead and again advance it or enhance it, okay? So this shows that, and then for my started I said before long, so I use a conjunction. The malfunctions of the deranged robots, so I describe the robots more, can shockingly slow and hinder the child's learning. So again, I added that adverb to kind of show that shock. Not only is that cueing in the reader to what the robots were like, but it shows Margie's emotions as well. So it kind of connects and seamlessly shows both sides of things there, okay? Again, not a super hard change, but it does add color, all right? And then the last one, I chose my conclusion sentence. So I wanted to break out of the box a main point and to see something different. The first read, therefore, Margie knows nothing of the old days and longs for her grandfather's school and acts wishful, questioning, and frustrated because of it. Not a bad sentence at all. I think it's pretty strong, but there are ways that I can improve it. So I kept my transition. Therefore, knowing, so I added a verb, nothing of the old days, and then I switched kind of the idea of my sentence. So I led with kind of the end, so I kind of inverted it. Margie nostalgically and sadly longs for her grandfather's school and acts wishful, questioning, and frustrated because of it. So I just added a little bit of description here and again kind of flipped my ideas to add just a different kind of level or idea here using color, okay? So for this one, guys, I know double black diamond, this one is harder, but I want you to think about, first of all, what sentences can I improve upon, and then add both a start it and improve it, or two improve it's, to make sure that you're really adding color and variety. But does it still make sense? Does it still flow? Is it still good for my reader, okay? So you're welcome to scroll through these, kind of look at these again, but hopefully that helps you get an idea of what maybe yours sounds like.